Hello everyone, in this video I would like to give you a tour of this homemade tissue culture lab. This is an Agar 4 grow tent with two 4-foot shelves and 20 watts LED tubes, one per shelf. Tissue culture plants does not need a lot of light as they take the nutrients and sucrose they need from the media. Here I'm keeping carnivorous plants from Venus flytraps to sundews, pinguicula, sarracenia, nepenthes, cephalotus, and helianthera. I have another smaller 4x4 grow tent right next to this one that is used as a tissue culture transfer room. I use a big storage container as a hood to do all the tissue culture work. I like to keep a trash can and also run a small air filter. I like this one in particular because it also has a UV light. I use a glass bead sterilizer to sterilize all my tools, but I have also used a Bunsen burner in the past. This is another Agar 4 grow tent where I keep all my aquatic plants. They are growing very well and it's time to subculture more. I'm saving space by taking 3 4-foot shelves and combine together to make 2. This is my all-American pressure cooker with the largest capacity of 41 quarts or 39 liters. I'm going to make a whole video dedicated to this pressure cooker in the future. It's important to have an unseparate fridge to keep all your chemicals like media, plant growth regulators, antibiotics, and seeds. This is my media prep area. It's just a large table I use to pour all my media. We already have a video on making media in the channel, and I will also make more in the future. For water, you can buy the still water from the store, but I recommend to get a reverse osmosis filter if you are planning to do tissue culture on a regular basis. This one is only $60 and because of the amount of experiments I do, it already pays by itself. If you want to set your own tissue culture lab, go visit plantcelltechnology.com for more information.